Hey, what's up, Airsoft? This is Nagasaki coming to you from beautiful Newport Richey, Florida at Holy Cowz Airsoft Field. Today we're going to be playing a little deathmatch. Shooting a little hot today, so we're going to be hanging back. The minimum engagement distance is going to be 100 feet. Shooting 410 feet per second with a 6.23 wide bore Orga barrel and 2.5 gram BBs.
Sniper Hill got him.
That was the taxman giving me the enemy's location. So as I start to move around to the left to try to flank the enemy and get him in the crossfire, I noticed one of the newbie players, I guess for lack of a better word. You'll notice them throughout the games because they have on the green masks. Those are rental masks from Stampede Airsoft. I don't know about the other people playing, but I always try to be nice to these people because these are people that are just thinking about getting into the sport, don't have their own equipment yet, and are using rental equipment. But the bright green face mask does make for an easy
Coming up
target.
on the left, guys.
Alright, this is pretty much basically the standard formation that we use in order to take the kill house. You got 2-3 people up on the back of the kill house and 2 people in the back hanging to the left trying to shoot the people in front of the kill house so the people right behind the kill house can move forward. Alright, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Frank, my M4 is a heavily modified AEG, putting a lot of air around the BBs to get them down range. And if you notice here, I wing a couple of BBs right past third degree's head, and he hears them and kind of startles him a little bit.
Sorry.
Alright, so as we're regrouping and trying to reorganize, 2 more bad guys move up to the left. I start laying down cover fire so they keep their heads down, and I get lucky and hit one of them.
I think there's still one more guy on the left.
It's very important to know your field. At Holy Cowz, it has 4 flags scattered throughout the field, 1 at each end and 2 in the middle, and that's where we typically will meet at when we play, unless one team is more powerful than the other. Both teams will usually be in the middle, and you'll have a respawn point right there, so you don't have to go all the way to the back of the field. And once you touch that flag, you got 10 seconds of save time before you're fair game. If you pull up your gun and start shooting before that 10 seconds is up, you're fair game at that point.
See if I can get a better angle.
Alright, so people keep running up directly in front of the kill house. I can't see them from the right hand side, so I'm going to move over to the left a little bit so I can get a better angle on the people directly in front of the kill house.
À travers les flots.
Can you tell me if the kill house is ours?
Whoa. Somebody just buzzed right by me.
Wow, that BB missed me by about 12 inches. The taxman and I start taking fire from the enemy snipers, and they make a hard push to the kill house, and of course Frank and the taxman keep them at bay. So the enemy can't figure out how come all of our guys are getting shot. You got this one guy just sitting there with his head up like a prairie dog, and I start shooting at him. I put one right between his eyes. He doesn't call his hit. Alright guys, sorry about this. Helmet cam battery died. All I have is scope cam footage with no infrared filter, so that's why it looks kind of grayish. Had to take the red tint out of it. Anyway, I got this guy, very persistent on the left-hand side. Can't get him. Both me and the tax man are trying to pick him off as Marty the monkey moves across the field and almost gets shot in the head trying to take up a better position. Alright, so let's wrap up this video with just a little word for the wise. When somebody is shooting you and hitting you, and it stings, it's going to hurt a lot worse if you don't call your hit. And they go full auto, baby. Hit!